बाकी बच्चे नहीं आए, नो वरीज। Hi all of you online students, am I audible to all of you? Hello Anamika, Ganesh, Parvez, Vedehi. एक मिनट, just a minute. ओके सो भेज दिया, तो वहां चेक करो ना। Yeah, just give me a few seconds more. I have become tech savvy now. अब मैं पीपीटी के नीचे बात ही नहीं करता हूँ। यही वाला है? डाल दो इसको। नहीं, yes Ganesh. Some of you are on the YouTube also. Am I audible to all of you? Am I streaming fine? Yeah, we are good to go now. So, I had shared the question paper on the Telegram group also, and I insisted that all of you solve your paper and bring your analysis with you. Have you done that, all of you? Your test and analysis. So one of the common mistakes we do is we talk in terms of our scores. Okay, ज़्यादा score है, कम score है. To be very honest, I am not very disappointed. That's because shifting from sectional test towards full length is a major change in mindset. सेक्शनल में क्या था, आप सिर्फ पढ़ रहे हो ओनली इकोनॉमी, ओनली पॉलिटी, ओनली साइंस एंड टेक, ओनली हिस्ट्री, इट्स मैनेजेबल. द मोमेंट वी हैव फुल लेंथ टेस्ट, नाउ एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स कमिंग टुगेदर. विद इन 1 week यू मस्ट रिवाइज एवरीथिंग. ठीक है? I hope you have seen the planner video I've shared all of you now. You can modify that. I've given a sense of what are the priorities. So with all that work, your score will improve. What I'm looking for, yes, of course, those who are scoring less than 35, 40 types, it's a concern. You are missing something, and I will definitely ask to introspect again, kahan miss ho raha hai. इस पेपर में when I asked you after the test got over, I asked most of you कि बताओ आसान है नहीं. I even put up a poll. Okay, and in the poll, most of you said it is a moderate paper. Couple of them said also easy paper. And our assessment is also, this is not a difficult paper. It is moderate. Oh, easy nahi ho, wo alag baat hai. And when I asked you, tell me what is your projected score, 60% of them said they should have been scoring more than 60%. Okay, so 70% plus is what most of you were telling, and quite a few of you also said you'll score more than 100 also. Okay, so there's a huge gap between what you thought the paper was, what the score should have been, and an actual score. So I have the scores of some of you. Okay, I have just about 20 odd of you who have scored more than 70. And a good number of you are trapped in scores of less than almost 100 students hain, who are trapped in score less than 40. Okay, so even the comfort zone kam hai bachche. Okay, and like I said, I'm not too unhappy. I would have been happy if most of you scored in the range of 60 and 60 plus. Okay, but that's okay. What I want all of you to do is, okay, let us discuss not the marks. Let's discuss wrong kaun sa hua aapka. Okay, there are always questions no you should not attempt. There are always questions you should have attempted. Okay, there are questions which are tricky. Okay, so some things important mein. Arey, kahan gaya? Sorry. Okay, let me try it here itself. I said, हाँ? मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ना, मुझे वो ग्रीन स्क्रीन चाहिए था. कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके, मैं इसी में कर ले. हाँ? प्लस से. Okay, yeah, thanks. So, there are couple of analysis points. Those of you who have been part of PSP, हम आपको बेटा 3 महीने से ही सिखा रहे हैं. Okay. It is not important to get a score. It's more important to analyze what's going right, what's going wrong, what should your focus be. And because many of you have been with me in some way or the other, 2 mahina time is a good amount of time to get your act together. Analysis points, the number 1 is know what type of questions you are making mistakes in. ये बहुत important point है. Okay. Second is number of attempts. आपके number of attempts, okay, कितने हैं और उससे कितना score हो रहा है. What should be an ideal attempt and how many are you attempting? Some of you met me after the first full length test कि सर मेरा guesswork wrong हो रहा है. Okay, and instinctually we reduce our attempts because I got 20 wrong, 30 wrong. Sir, now I'm scared to attempt more. अगले बार मैं more careful मतलब है you reduce attempts. That is also a dangerous sign. अभी आपके पास 10 full length test बचा हुआ है, 10 में से 2 किया है, प्रयास जो ओपन कर रहे हो आपके लिए और 3 बचा हुआ है. I think that's lot of questions and practice to ultimately learn the process. Okay, so abhi se number of attempts be vary. A third very important thing is identify the nature of silly mistakes. देखो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है कि आपके silly mistakes हुए नहीं है. If you're saying moderate paper है and your scores are coming down, 100% you are making some errors. एक तो है generally what type of questions are you making error? Type का मतलब है are you making mistakes in match the following? Are you making mistakes in assertion reasoning? Are you making mistakes in 1 2 3 correct, 1 2 3 4 correct वो वाला? Okay, find out किस type के questions गलत हो रहे हैं. Second is this, and fourth is which subject. Uniform नहीं होना चाहिए. All of us will have 1 or 2 strong areas and all of us will have some weak areas. Okay, and एक टेस्ट में वो आइडेंटिफाई करना मुश्किल है, तो अभी तो आप करो. Okay, but keep in mind, oh, in this paper history was going wrong, in this paper economy went wrong. Third देखो, fourth year और fifth देखो, 6th 7th टेस्ट के बाद एक आइडिया हो जाता है. Okay, because guess करोगे नहीं करोगे depends on which subject is trapping you. So if I know that I'm good in geography, okay, अगर मुझे गेस लेना भी होगा ऐसे, ओके ज्योग्राफी है तो ले ही लेता हूं गेस. इफ आई नो कि नो कंसिस्टेंटली आई एम मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स इन एमैक, वो मेरा कंफर्ट जोन है नहीं. So when I'm going for a guesswork, I'll be a bit more careful in AMAC, okay, and I'll avoid taking a complete blind guess. So know the subject which troubles you, know the type of questions that trouble you, and also know कि silly mistakes किस type के हो रहे हैं. Silly mistake का example होता है, एक silly mistake होता है, some of us ने question पढ़ा ही नहीं है. Okay, out of 100 questions, एक आध क्वेश्चन छूट गया मुझसे. एक और हो सकता है, okay, I got nervous with some type of questions. एक हो सकता है वो नॉट वाला भूल जा रहे हैं हम. Despite so many times programming, नॉट छूट रहा है हमसे. एक, in fact, if you're making mistakes in PYQs, even I'll call that a silly mistake. PYQ में बेटा आप मिस्टेक नहीं कर सकते. It has to be 100% accuracy in case of PYQ based questions. So identify कि silly mistakes किस टाइप का है. Online students, doesn't matter आपने टेस्ट दिया हो नहीं हो, this conversation will help you, okay, organize your own preparation. आप कहीं भी टेस्ट कर रहे हो. That's why we said we'll keep it an open session for all of you. ठीक है? So this is the purpose of what I mean by your performance analysis. And like I said, I don't care about your scores. आपका स्कोर कुछ भी आए. And end of 10 FLTs, अगर आपने 10 FLTs के questions को ये master कर लिया, the questions are made in such a way that will cover most of the important areas. I'm sure you'll get a good range to aspire to qualify. Third, fourth reading में the doable questions, yeah, it happens, Adish, कोई ऐसा impossible वाला problem नहीं है. How to follow planner with weekly, Ayush, okay, those questions बाद में. Okay, so this is the objective here. Now, list down these questions. Okay, हमारा assessment है. Easy questions were, लिख लो, which were the easy questions? Easy questions means I expect to be high accuracy ones. Question 1, 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 10, 26, 33, 43, 34, 68, 73, 76, 79, 90, 91. इसमें आपको अवॉइड करना चाहिए था मिस्टेक्स. I'll tell you what I'm expecting in terms of accuracy. 1, 3, 5, 6, 10, 26, 33, 43, 34, 68, 73, 76, 79, 90, 91. Okay. इसको आप चेक करोगे. How many of these did you get wrong? अच्छा. PYQ based. Okay. PYQ based questions जो हैं, they are 20. When I say PYQ based का मतलब है not direct PYQ, but they are frequently asked PYQs. 2-3 बार पूछा हुआ है. You better know those questions properly. At least the theme you should know well, which are 20, 23, 28, 30, 59, 61, 67, 73, 75, 77, 86, 89. इसमें एक आते रिपीट हो गया है, 70 का रिपीट, ठीक है. 77, 86, 89. These are the PYQ based. Okay. My assessment is PYQ basis questions में you should not have, okay, any mistakes. Okay. There are how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. ये 12 questions हैं. Okay. My expectation is 12 में से 12 आना चाहिए था आपका. Okay. PYQ based है. Okay. And ऐसा भी नहीं था कि बहुत पुराना पूछा हमने. Okay. अच्छा. Logical reasoning. Logical मतलब है you may not have studied that exactly, but looking at the choice, शायद एक eliminate कर दो तो हो जाएगा. Maybe you can match some of them. Okay. Logical based questions are 13, 34, 37, 38 लिख लो. 13, 34, 37, 38, 41, 42, 47, 54, 57, 59, 62, 65, 66, 72, 86, 89, and 93. These are 16 of them. These are 15 of them. Okay? And these questions, we think you could have left. Okay? या फिर इसमें अगर accuracy खराब है, understandable, which is 49, ये left वाले हैं. If you have gone for this, you have taken some risk. Some of you can, of course, there's no rule in that, but these were tricky ones. 49, 51, 56, 58, 64, 69, 80, 94. अगर क्वेश्चन पेपर है आपके पास में, okay, and you know your scores, can you check how many of you attempted this? और इसमें से कितना wrong हो गया? इसमें से अगर एक भी पॉजिटिव आ रहा है मार्क्स ना, इट्स योर गेन. Oh, excellent. So one of you says 4 out of 4 आया है. Very nice. इसमें से ये क्वेश्चंस में से अगर नेट स्कोर पॉजिटिव है, इट्स a huge edge over the others. Okay? 49. Okay, and see, most of these questions जो है later questions हैं. क्या होता है ना लेटर क्वेश्चंस में, when if you are falling sequentially, यहां तक आके आप नर्वस हो जाओगे. Okay, यार लाइन से क्वेश्चन नहीं हो रहा है. 49 नहीं हुआ, 51 नहीं हुआ, 56 नहीं हुआ, 58 नहीं हुआ, 64 नहीं पता. You will lose confidence and यार कुछ गेस मारते हैं चलो. Anybody is getting a positive score in these questions? Positive score here. कितना अटेम्प्ट किया इसमें से? 3 किया, 2 करेक्ट हुआ. अच्छा, अटेम्प्टेड ऑल ऑफ देम फॉर, तो नेट हो गया आपका 3 out of 8. ये भी पॉजिटिव हो गया आपका. सो इफ यू हैव गॉट समथिंग राइट या पॉजिटिव, आज दैट्स अ गुड. इसका मतलब है यू हैव मेस्ड अप समवेयर हियर. अच्छा, नाउ ये ऑनलाइन, दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड अटेम्प्ट द पेपर एंड देन सिट विद मी, बिकॉज सी आई एम नॉट हियर टू डिस्कस. आंसर डिस्कस क्या करें, आई डोंट नॉट नो. एक तो फेटिश है, होता है ना, एक फेटिश होता है, एक टाइप का ऑब्सेशन होता है कि चल यार आज क्वेश्चन पेपर आंसर सुन के आते हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट. या तो सॉल्व किया है, नहीं किया है, ऐसे बैठ के डिस्कशन, तो प्लीज यू कैन गो टू स्लीप ऑल्सो, इट विल हेल्प यू बेटर. ओके, एनीवेज अगर आए हो तो अब ओके, ट्राई नॉट टू स्लीप इन द क्लास. ओके, नाउ इन योर एग्जामिनेशन 100 क्वेश्चंस में से यू टेल मी what is the cutoff for which you are preparing? All of us are preparing कि भाई 85 odd cutoff होगा and we must score 90. I think is what most of us are targeting. कि हमारा स्कोर 90 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, it's a safe range. अगर 90 में मार्क्स हैं आपके, safe range. Say out of 100 I have attempted 90 questions. 90 questions. 90 में से I have scored 60 correct, 30 wrong. Okay, so net is 50. 30 by 3 is 10. Net minus 6, net 650 हो गया. स्कोर कितना होगा? 50 into 2. You have scored 100. Okay. If it is, say, I'm taking round figures, 36 and 54. Okay, 90 attempts में 36, 54 का मतलब है you have lost 12. That's okay. 42. You have come down to 84 marks. I hope you know what I'm doing. 36 अगर wrong होता है, 1/3 equivalent is 12 questions. Okay, 54 minus 12 is 42 questions. 42 into 2 is you're getting 84 marks. You can't afford less than this. Okay, अगर आपने 100 का 100 attempt किया है, if you attempt all the 100 questions, then say condition where 60 correct, or let me take a round figure. Say you have got a 67 correct and you have got 33 wrong. 11 हुआ, minus 11 is 56. You have gone a good score. अगर आपका ये approximately say in the range of, okay, say 30, no, say this is in the range of से आपका 42 रॉन्ग होता है एंड 58 राइट होता है. 42 रॉन्ग मीन्स यू हैव लॉस्ट, okay, 14 marks here. 58 minus 14 is how much? Okay, it is 44. You have come down to 88 marks. Okay, so this is the range you're working with. अगर आप 100 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करते हो जिसमें कि 58 राइट है और 42 रॉन्ग है, यू हैव स्कोर्ड 88 मार्क्स. इसके नीचे अगर आएगा ना, यू आर इन ट्रबल. से यू हैव कम डाउन टू ओके, इसका नेक्स्ट से 40, ओके, 42 हो गया, 39. यू हैव कम डाउन टू 39, नो 39 है, 45. You come down to 45 mistakes and the correct is 55. Okay, 45 means 55 मतलब है this is 15. You have got 40, आपका स्कोर 80 में आ गया. ठीक है, this is the, so अगर 100 क्वेश्चंस किया आपने, we expect कि this is your safe zone. अगर 90 अटेम्प्ट किया आपने, then I'll say this is your safe zone. So any case I'm looking at 50 प्लस तो होना चाहिए करेक्ट, राइट? आप 90 अटेम्प्ट करो या फिर 100 अटेम्प्ट करो, 50 प्लस शुड बी योर करेक्ट. ओके, 50 प्लस का मतलब है you're targeting at least 50% of the questions. I'm taking एकदम round numbers. So if your accuracy falls below 50%, you are in trouble. Is it okay all of you here? Yeah, online, are you all following what I'm doing here? It might look like CSAT for all of you, but it's not CSAT. A simple strategic planning है ये. What can you afford to get right and what you can afford not to make a mistake on. तो आपका accuracy, if I'm taking a safe side, 50 से ऊपर होना चाहिए. This should be your accuracy. Should be more than 50. Okay. Now come back to your questions here. PYQs I'm saying should be 12 out of 12. इससे कम ना नहीं चाहिए. इससे कम हो रहा है तो you are in trouble. In case of these questions, जो कि easy है, when I say easy, I mean they are largely from the books, they are largely notes, they are predictable questions. I can give you a leeway of maybe 2, 3, 4 mistake कर लो. So maybe you have scored 12 out of 15. And these questions, I'm giving you a leeway of 50%. से आपका 8 ही गलत हुआ है और 8 ही सही हुआ है. This is your, okay, and आप 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 questions छोड़ दिए, right? Means you have attempted how many questions? You attempted 92 questions. If you have left this, okay, आपके करेक्ट कितने हो रहे हैं? Okay, you have You have corrected, कितना हुआ आपका? Add up this, 12 plus 12 plus 8, कितना हो गया आपका? 32. या कुछ गलत हुआ मेरा? क्या मिस्टेक बताओ? ठीक तो है? ओ 38 लिख दिया, अच्छा 32. और रॉन्ग कितना हो गया आपका? अटेम्प्ट है ये, रॉन्ग कितना हो गया? 11 are wrong. Is it okay, all of you? Something we are missing out on this? Okay, 32 आपका राइट हुआ. Okay, what am I missing out बच्चे? 92 मैंने बताया यहां पर. कुछ रिपीट हुआ क्या इसमें? सही है, ओके. और इसमें से इफ आई एम, इसी नंबर्स में इफ आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग, वी आर गेटिंग दिस कि इफ यू आर डूइंग दिस टाइप ऑफ वेयर द करेक्ट वंस आर ओके लेसर, पीवाईक्यू में नो मिस्टेक्स, इजी क्वेश्चंस में 2-3 मिस्टेक कर लो, लेफ्ट वाले कुछ हैं, योर नेट इज 28. नेट इज 28. जो बाकी क्वेश्चंस हैं, बाकी क्वेश्चंस में आई एम सेइंग लेट्स टेक 2 केस. 30% एक्यूरेसी अगर करते हैं, ओके, व्हिच यू हैव गॉट ओनली 1/3 आपका राइट हो रहा है, देन यू आर स्कोरिंग 60 मार्क्स. अगर आपका 40% एक्यूरेसी हो रहा है, ओके, मींस रॉन्ग 34, राइट 15. इफ यू गो बाय दिस वन, रॉन्ग 29, राइट इज 20, आपका 76 होना चाहिए था. So if you are scoring less than 60, or I'll say if I be modest here, so less than 55 है आपका स्कोर, you are in trouble. फिर कुछ एक मिस्टेक हो रहा है आपका. Yeah, this is only about the easy PYQ लॉजिकल वाले. बाकी क्वेश्चंस भी तो हैं आपके. I have not mapped all the questions in this. What I'm saying, इसमें से कितना एक्यूरेसी है? Okay, इसमें से I will want high accuracy. Okay, इसमें 2-3 mistakes, इसमें no mistakes, इसमें I'm saying half mistakes. जो बाकी questions हैं, remaining questions, either you get 1/3 of them correct, or maybe a bit more of them correct. The remaining questions I said, this is your other questions में, the 49 बचता है आपका. Okay, 49, so 43 कैसा हुआ? I said 32 and 11, right? 32 is attempted, easy PYQs and logical, and 11 you have left. ये 43 हो गया. जो remaining questions हैं, remaining जो 49 questions हैं, okay, left यहां पर है, left is 8, sorry. ये wrong हो, 11 is wrong. Is wrong. Left is here. So remaining questions of 49 हैं. इसमें से you have got 2 choice. Either get 1/3 correct or get 40% correct. So with these calculations, okay, I don't see why your score should fall below 60 or below 55. Do you understand my point here, all of you? Now you must, so you have understood कि कितना right होना चाहिए था इस पेपर में. Now you must go back and check question by question कि 1 मेरा अगर wrong हुआ तो क्यों wrong हुआ, अगर 3 wrong हुआ तो क्यों wrong हुआ. Okay, which subject is this? What type of question is this? Okay, am I trapped with the wordings? Am I trapped with the choices? Okay, and this is lot of learning. ये जो आपके okay, ये जो questions हैं, which are PYQ based questions, easy and logical वाले questions, ये बहुत सारे questions हैं. Okay, you have got this many facts to remember, multiply and learn from. Okay, तो इसी में आपको analysis करना है one by one. बाकी तो मैंने कहा 1/3 यार, रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस में से 49 क्वेश्चंस में से क्या आप 1/3 राइट नहीं कर, अगर रैंडमली मारोगे तब भी 1/3 हो जाएगा आपका. So your trick in scoring does not lie in this one. Okay. Your trick lies in getting these answers right. Because ये जो other questions हैं, other questions would have been tricky for many others. Okay. ये tricky है तो most students will falter here. But ये वाले questions which you should have got wrong right, maybe you are missing those. Is it okay, all of you? Okay. So if I take up the questions one by one, just a chart paper here. So easy questions mein se. Okay. I've just taken up some questions. Okay. Consider the following. Okay. I'm told that this is a very basic question. कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का कौन सा ओरिजिनल जुरिडिक्शन है. 1 आपका रॉन्ग नहीं होना चाहिए था अंडर एनी सर्कमस्टेंसेस. ओके. क्वेश्चन लाइक ओके पार्ट 9 ओके से पूछता रहता है क्वेश्चंस है. ओके दे कीप आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. ओके पार्ट 13 ओके पार्ट 18 दे कीप आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस. ये भी आपका मिस्टेक नहीं होना चाहिए था. Okay. If I try this one, I'm told that this is a very basic question, low interest coverage ratio. ये आपका गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. keywords हैं. Okay. Money multiplier, I have known there are pretty frequently. Money multiplier question. Why should this be wrong? Okay. Balance of payments में, which is a part of, ये बड़ा popular question है. Imbalance of payment कौन सा kind of accounts का part है. Okay. Pune Pact, a state question again. Removal of vice president, ये I think थोड़ा न्यूज में भी है 2-3 साल से. Okay. Election Commission is always in news. तो बेटा यही themes हैं. इसी theme के basis पे go and revise all your notes. Okay. Questions like ये वाला, with the following is correct zonal councils. All zonal councils are statutory bodies under State Organization Act. क्या mistake हो सकता है कि I'm told that there are 5 councils. All of them are statutory bodies, but all of them don't come under 56 Act. Okay. The Northeast Council क्या 1971 बताया राइट मुझे 71. Okay. The Northeast Zonal Council comes under 1971 वाला act. And Prime Minister is not the chairman. I think Home Minister here. Okay. So zonal councils पे questions आते हैं. You should have known this. Global important agricultural heritage systems. Okay, there are 3 of them. One is Kutanad, Kerala for below sea level farming. We have in Odisha, we have traditional farming, and we have saffron of Kadeva regions. These 3 are the Global Agriculture Heritage Center. Okay. So इसमें भी आपको पता होना चाहिए था कि कौन सा डिटेल है जो भी है. Okay. It's not launched by UNEP, it's launched by FAO. Launched by FAO and not UNEP. So again, अगर ये wrong हो भी रहा है, now go back and make your list कि इसमें तो पढ़ ही लेना चाहिए मुझे. Okay. Move on. Volcanoes. I mean, I see these are, most of you have been geography in some ways. Okay. A geography question है, ये geography है, P waves, S waves. They have been asking, या PY के 2 बार पूछा हुआ question है. Temperature inversion, fog वाला question है. शैडो जोन 4 क्वेश्चंस इजी, 15 में से 4 क्वेश्चन ज्योग्राफी के हैं आपके. ओके. सिग्निफिकेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक लिबरलाइजेशन. आई मीन अगर पेशेंस रखते, लिबरलाइजेशन कैन नॉट बी विथ कंट्रोल्ड इकोनॉमी. This was the key word. Rule this out. So all of you do this work. Okay, find out how many of these easy questions you made a mistake in. कुछ नंबर बताओगे आप लोग? Did you get all these questions right or did you make some mistakes in this? 3 mistakes. Okay, who else? 2 mistakes, 3 mistakes, no mistakes, 1 mistake, 4, 5 mistakes. 4. So, you know, I said I can tolerate 2, 3 of them. 4 में फिर आप कुछ lose कर गए. Ideally, I think it shouldn't have gone beyond 1 or 2. Okay. There are 2 mistakes in polity part. So identify that. See, you must have the courage. अगर आपको 2 घंटा लगता है पेपर सॉल्व करने में, trust me, this work is another 2 hours of work. Sit with the paper and study the paper कि कहां गलत हुआ, कहां सही हुआ. Okay, and most of you have told us the paper is very much like UPSC level. Yeah, online students on the YouTube, we are sharing the link of the question paper, sharing the link of the answers also. Download that and sit down and do this work. ठीक है, 2 silly mistakes. Anybody else online में? Okay, how many of you got more than 4 mistakes, more than 5 mistakes? You are in trouble. Okay, I just have one person here who says you have made no mistakes. 1 mistake. Okay, if I coax more, maybe 2 भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है? You didn't read the first. इतना कम मार्जिन है एरर के लिए ना. Okay, you lose by 0.3, 0.1, 0.5 marks. Okay, तो एक मिस्टेक हुआ मतलब आपका 4 पीछे हो गया, राइट? Okay, आपका अपना 2 नहीं आएगा. Okay, किसी और को 2 चला गया प्लस आपका मिस्टेक्स के लिए माइनस. Okay, 1/3 भी हो गया. You're losing lot of points there. अच्छा, okay, fine. So ये आपका हो गया इजी वाले. Okay, let's try this for the PYQ ones. By the way, online students, we have another प्रयास coming up. क्या डेट है उसका? 5th April. So those enrolled, you are with us, you know this. Though enrolled नहीं है, I'll recommend you do the second प्रयास also with us on 5th of April. Okay, so your screen will have a QR code. You can scan it. Okay, you can scan the QR code, and I will love to have you on board and discuss the paper the same way we are doing. Yeah, 5th of April. Yes, Devarga, thanks. Okay, let's move on. So PYQ based questions में, let's see. देखो, quantum computers, I don't think should miss this anymore. The kind of Google का innovation है, अभी Nvidia ने कुछ निकाल दिया. A lot of quantum computing happening, okay, from the AI perspective. So, और PYQ में पूछा हुआ question है. I'm told that this quantum computers पे 2 or 3 times PYQs हैं. You can't miss this. Vijayanagar Empire, again repeatedly asked. PYQs में no mistakes. Themes जो हैं. Okay. CRISPR, okay. ये आपका part of biotechnology, vaccination, genome, whatever. Okay. You better, ये last time पूछा हुआ question है, I think around this 3-4 बार पूछा हुआ question है. EPA Act. Okay. And like I said, अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है तो दोबारा PYQ करो बैठ के. 2 months बहुत time होता है to do 15 years of PYQ thoroughly. Can't miss this. Okay. Marsupials. It's a popular question now. इससे mistake क्या होगा बताओ? एक तो है marsupials are okay, Australia only. Marsupials are also found in South America. Is something called as opossums, not possums. Opossums are found in South America also. This could have been a miss. But we expect कि अगर marsupial पूछा है एक दो बार तो उसमें R&D का डालो ना. Okay. And Tasmanian tiger, okay, is also a marsupial. Okay. Tiger देखकर don't assume that they are mammals. Okay, of the kind we know. Okay. Tasmanian tiger extinct hai, correct? It also is a marsupial. Okay. So this was to tell you कि PYQ कैसे करना है. You can't miss this. Scorpion, crabs. Okay. Popular questions में आते हैं. Okay. They belong to which among the following? Which three? Okay. Echinida, lemurs. इसमें तो I have seen the movie called Anaconda. Okay. Amazon basin and anaconda तो मैंने ऐसे ही मार्क कर देना है. If you have seen animation Madagascar, you know there are lemurs there. Right? ये आंसर होगा, right? ये तो मेरा मूवी शौक से मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूं. So one suggestion is start seeing more movies, maybe. Okay, there could be one way out for you. Yes, Madagascar movie 1, 2, 3. Okay, so fine. Okay, volcanoes again. So I'm just taking you through कि ये mistakes अगर हो रहे हैं ये नहीं होने चाहिए थे. Earth's heat budget, cumulus reflect solar radiations, block mountains, fold mountains, France, watches. Volcanoes is a popular topic that they ask. Volcanoes, earthquakes, okay, and directly or indirectly. Okay, I'm just showing you the question, that's all. Okay. प्रधान मंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना. Women वाले programs को ना ढंग से देखना है आपको. I think previous years में प्रधानमंत्री मातृ सुरक्षा योजना they've asked. Suraksha Yojana they have asked. Matru Vandana is okay related. So women programs में जान लो budget and recent times. Preservatives से पूछता है questions. Preservatives में okay 2-3 of them I thought you should have known. Benzoic acid, sodium benzoate. So जहां पर भी ये बेंजीन वाला आ रहा है I have my memory कि हाँ ये तो preservative ही होना चाहिए. And of course 1, 2, 3 इसमें देखो कि किस टाइप के मिस्टेक्स. Even sodium nitrate for that matter. I think most of us should know sodium nitrate. ठीक है? Okay. So that's about this one. So इसमें से PYQ से I said 12 out of 12 right होना चाहिए आपका. Can you check and tell me how many you got wrong or how many you got right? 4 wrong. 3 wrong, 4 wrong. Yeah? 4 wrong. 3, 4. Either 4. You all agreed on 4 or what? 1 wrong. 2 wrong, 2 not attempted. So you attempted lesser number PYQs में. But a PYQ वाले themes को आप छोड़ नहीं सकते. And the mistake people do is they practice PYQ and they memorize the answers. Okay, you should be practicing PYQ to know the themes. उस theme से पूछेगा, don't get it wrong. Not mechanically solve कर दिया types. Okay, ठीक है. You lost 3-4 questions in the easy one, and you lost 3-4 questions. यहीं पर आपका 8 question पीछे हो गया. Okay, from which you should have. ठीक है. Now come to logical ones. Logical ones में I said no. I am allowing you 50% accuracy. Okay. मुझे डेटा नहीं पता कौन सा करेक्ट है. Food grains cultivation continuously increased. Okay. और वो भी this is a COVID year. This should have been a red flag for you. Okay, continuous increase नहीं हुआ होगा, at least in case of bearing couple of years. Okay, food grain goes on fluctuation. और ये COVID year है. ये वाला again zonal council वाला जो था. All zonal council are statutory bodies. Okay, yes, but नॉर्थ ईस्ट काउंसिल का अलग था, यहाँ PYQ भी है, आप लॉजिकली भी कर सकते हो. Principles of rule of law. Now, we had a good debate on this. Okay. ये किसका right है, किसका wrong है? Anybody can tell me? Right? So, I was getting trapped in this one. कि rule of law का मतलब क्या है? Basically, there is a law and you follow the law. Is it important कि rule of law में we must also have participatory or some form of elections? Okay. Answer is yes. We cross-checked a couple of documents, Oxford maybe. Rule of law, independent judiciary तो must है. Rule of law, clarity, ये भी important, accessibility ये होना चाहिए. Rule of law should be equality also. So 1, 2, 4 में कोई problem नहीं है, लेकिन choice में 1 to 4 है नहीं. Okay. So I would automatically mark 1, 2, 3, 4. अगर ये change कर देते ना, अगर ये चला आता 3 में, then probably I would have been trapped here. Okay. So अगर नहीं भी पता, I mean I'm sure some of you will have a question here. Okay. कि भाई rule of law में क्या जरूरी है कि elections होना चाहिए. Okay. The documents as a debate say, yes, that's a very important part of ensuring rule of law. Otherwise, you'll always have despotic leaders and arbitrary commands because it's not election based. Okay. Seaweeds are found only in the coastal areas. If you know Sargasso Sea, okay, this is pretty much open. If you know kelp forests are also like seaweeds. Okay. So, agar ye wala pakadte, logically you would have got it right. All classical languages are part of 8th schedule. So, I'm told कि classical languages में we have added Pali, we added Prakrit, we have added Marathi, we added Assamese and एक और क्या था ऐड किया हमने? Bengali. So, Marathi, Assamese and Bengali, this is a schedule 8. बट ये दो शेड्यूल में नहीं है, रिसेंटली ऐड किया हमने. अदरवाइज क्लासिकल लैंग्वेजेस में वो 5 थे, राइट? कन्नड़ा, तेलुगु, मलयालम, संस्कृत, ओडिया. ओडिया इज वन ऑफ द क्लासिकल लैंग्वेजेस. ओके. सो अगेन अ बिट ऑफ करंट अफेयर्स. यू शुड हैव आंसर्ड दिस वन. राइट टू मैरी. क्या केस था वो वाला? यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. हाँ. No, not Sajidanand. I wrote it down. It is Supriyo Chakrabarti. This one, right to marry? Acha, okay. It's Hadia case. Acha, theek hai, okay. Okay, so this is the integral part of fundamental rights. It's right to marry. Come here. RBI discourages teaser loans, loans which have low interest rate initially, and then there's no ruling against it, but it discourages because there's more chances of default. If you know teaser loans, it should have been done. IoT wala question. Okay, areas content significant. इसमें तो एक ये है, who can make the rules? Rules में local bodies नहीं आते. It is center plus the states. And second तो wrong होना ही होना है. Okay, because it says cannot be declared. Why are you even having heritage? Right? So again a bit of logical reasoning here. Marsupials, ये बता दिया आपको मैंने. Okra is a favorite animal. Okay, okra, they keep asking. The four okra, dugong, hornbills, caracal. Okay, there are a couple of animals, gadials. Okay, so they ask repeatedly. Okras or the killer whales. Killer whales. DNA barcoding and so on. Okay, fine. You can mercury pollution. It says anthropogenic. Anthropogenic में volcanism नहीं आएगा, बाकी आए नहीं आए. Okay, human factors. This one logical because I don't know if you heard कि सरकार 8,000 कब देता है यार. Okay, only one program has I think 6,000. Most of them are in the range of 3,000. 8,000 is a crazy figure. Itna zyada, okay. So you could have ruled this out if you apply that logic. Preservatives. Okay. This again, government जब expenditure करता है, the expenditure is not to create wealth for the government. Okay. Government spends for development purpose. Creation of wealth is a private thing, corporate thing, individuals maybe, okay, capitalism it's, so उस sense में government does not create wealth for itself. Government expenditure is largely for development aspects. This was the logical one. Yeah. So now tell me from this list, how many did you get wrong? Did you get at least 8 correct in this? 5 wrong. Out of these questions, out of 16. Okay. So this was your fundamental core area. Okay. So guys, I could have only guided this much. So what I want is, now let's get back to our conversation here. What we want is, don't get bogged down by scores. Okay? The bigger challenge is analyze. Analyze your silly mistakes. Analyze the subject which is going wrong. Analyze the type of questions you're making mistakes. Analyze your attempts. कितना attempt कर रहे हो? Anybody attempted less than 90 questions? Raise your hand. How many? Huh? 65 attempt. Dangerous. That's a no-go types. How many attempts? Why? Why did you go conservative? Okay. No. Don't do that. How many attempts? 85. 83. You guys? 89. 90. देखो मेरे experience में I have not heard too many people who have qualified by attempting less than 90. Okay. है but very high accuracy वाले हैं फिर. Okay. So less than 90 ना करो अच्छा है. और FLT है. FLT में okay you have done 85. Then you tell yourself okay I'll try 10 more. उसको मार्क कर लो ना, घर जाके देखना कि राइट हो रहा है कि रॉन्ग हो रहा है. The way we have done for your practice sessions, वो सारा practice थोड़ी हवे में था. The idea was to learn some of that. Okay. So we have some responses here. 95, 94 attempts, 68 attempts. First thinking I find right answer, when I think again I do blunder. Okay. The only way out for this is practice more. There's no shortcut in this. This is a problem with 9 out of 10 of you. कि पहले बार हो जाता है, सेकंड टाइम में गलत हो जाता है. इसका मतलब थोड़ी है कि सेकंड टाइम सोचना ही नहीं है. Keep practicing. Keep practicing here. Yes. करके देखो क्या होता है तुम्हारा. Say you have done your mark. क्या अब मैं नहीं करूंगी. ठीक है. Now let me try attempting all of them. फिर मार्क कर लो ना कि मैं बाद में कर रही हूं, देखने के लिए कितना आता है स्कोर मेरा. तो वही सिखा रहे थे आपको, राइट? करके देखो फिर. I had good number of students who qualified. They would mark all 100. So वो तो आप ही करके जानोगे, right, कि whether you are gaining or not. But 85, 83 attempts are dangerous range. 90 से कम ना करो तो better है. Okay. Again, you have more tests to go. You'll figure out for yourself कि what works best for you. So today's session का primary motive यही था. Don't get discouraged by your scores. After every test, we will publish this also now, which you should have got wrong, right, which you could have afforded to make a mistake, which you should not have missed at all, which you should have left maybe, ताकि आप compare कर पाओ, okay, where you are missing out your own scores. ठीक है? So the scores I have, okay, just we have only one of you who has scored, or two of you rather, who have scored more than 100, and all the others have scored lesser. I said about 20 of you have scored more than 70. Okay, so 60 around was fine. Uske niche I will be a bit more careful now. And the trend ki online scores are higher, it continues for whatever reason. We'll give you the benefit of doubt in any case. But those scoring below 40, below 45, you need one assessment of yourself. Kahan mistake ho raha hai. And those who are giving you attempts second, third time, beta aapko na fir dobara work karna hoga ki what are you missing out. It's not possible that aapko content nahi pata. Okay, why are you scoring in that range? Sit with the mentors, please. I have given the phone numbers to all of you last time. आप लोग नंबर बताओगे मुझे दोबारा please? 995864766668. This is Devender sir. Don't call, leave a message. Okay. And Tarun, आप बताओगे please? 961 97 45 88 9. ठीक है? They are available to discuss. Leave a WhatsApp message. Okay. I mean, and please ask genuine doubts. Okay. ना कि सब पढ़ने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, क्या करेंगे इस टाइम में, क्या मोटिवेशन दिखाऊं? वीडियो देख लो, कलेक्टर की एंट्री, ओके, मे बी यू विल एंजॉय दैट. गुड नाइस डाउट्स, स्पेसिफिक्स हैं. ओके सर घर में परेशान कर रहे हैं, क्या करें यार? वी कांट चेंज योर पेरेंट्स, आई कांट अडॉप्ट यू. ओके, सो लिव विथ इट. और क्या? So Ayman, those 30 are the ones you have to work on. That is where the entire game changes. Identify वो किस subject से है या किस type of questions है. Okay, I hope FLT 3 onwards, I'm told that now we'll shift towards tougher questions. Okay. पहला दो test was to get into act. Okay. Now we'll make the questions a bit more tougher. So accordingly prepare. And FLT जो आपका April 5th को है, again we have an online प्रयास session. I would want all of you to participate in this. We showed you the QR code also. Online students can scan this QR code and, okay, it's free. I believe the questions will be good for you to practice. We have maintained the quality more or less. Okay. That's a poor attempt, Naman. 75 is a poor attempt. You should have been much, much more than that. Try going for 90. ठीक है? I will not take more time of yours. All the best. I hope you manage the next test better. चलो, do the analysis please, all of you. घर जाके एक एक क्वेश्चन को देखो कि कहां मिस्टेक हुआ. And the remaining जो छोड़ा 49 questions जो थे, where I said 1/3 error allowed है, please check those also. कि how many did you score wrong or didn't attempt or whatever. Okay. Bye bye all of you. Bye. My wishes to you. All the best. राहुल कितना स्कोर था तुम्हारा?